Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be starting my mesh, fillet and lace pattern series. Today we'll be starting off with this beautiful pattern called String Network. So let's get started. Oh, but before we get started, I'll be using an Aran weight cotton yarn for this swatch and for all of the swatches in this series. It's the easiest yarn for me to use to show you how the pattern looks, and I'll also be using a 4mm hook. Now let's get started. So to make this pattern, you need to make a starting chain that is a multiple of 4 plus 6. So for this example, I'm going to chain 26. So there's our 26 chains. So let's get started on row 1, where we're going to place a double crochet into the 9th chain from our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, we're going to skip 9 and place our double crochet into the 10th. So we'll do that there. Now that's our first square made, and this chain 9 counts as 3 skipped chains here. 3 chains count as a double crochet, and 3 of those chains, we'll need those in row 2. So let's continue with row 1. Now this is our pattern repeat. So we've just done a double crochet, and then we're going to chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th chain, place a double crochet. And we're going to do that until the end of the row. Chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, into the 4th, place a double crochet. And we're at the end now, so we'll chain 1, 2, 3, skip 1, 2, 3, and into that 4th chain, we're going to place our last double crochet. Okay, that's the end of row 1. Let's get started with row 2. So, row 2 we're going to be working with single crochets. So we'll chain 1, turn our work, and into that very last double crochet we made from row 1, place a single crochet right in there. And then we'll chain 3 and single crochet into the next double crochet. And we'll repeat this until we get to those skipped chains at the end, where we're going to do something slightly different. So we'll keep going with chaining 3 and single crocheting into the double crochet from the row below. 1, 2, 3. So this is our last actual double crochet. So we'll place a single crochet in there. Now for this very last part, we're going to again chain 3, and we're going to count from the bottom 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to place a single crochet into that chain. And we've finished row 2. So let's move on to row 3. We're going to start with a chain 6 and turn our work, and this counts as a double crochet plus a chain 3 from now and throughout the pattern. So yarn over and place a double crochet into the single crochet, and we're going to repeat this to the end of the row. Chain 3, double crochet into the single crochet, chain 3, and double crochet into the single crochet, chain 3, double crochet, and for our very last stitch, it's much easier on this row. We can see our last single crochet right here, and we'll place our final double crochet in there, and that's the end of row 3. And then for row 4, we're going to repeat row 2, chain 1, turn our work, chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet as we did before into the very first stitch, chain 3, and single crochet into the next double crochet, chain 3, and single crochet, and we'll keep doing that until we get to those chains at the end, where we're going to do exactly the same thing. Well, it's slightly different actually, because we now have less chains to work on. So we're at the very end, and we've only got 6 chains here. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3 from the bottom. And we're going to place our single crochet into that 3rd chain. Now to continue this pattern, all you need to do is repeat rows 3 and 4 until you have your desired length. I'm going to continue with a few more rows to show you how this pattern looks. Here's my final swatch after 8 rows. It gives a really nice block version to our usual mesh. Make sure to like and subscribe, because I will be continuing with this mesh pattern series. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.